Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XLM on Coinbase. First, you'll need to set up your Coinbase account. This involves creating an account and completing the necessary identity verification steps. Once verified, link a payment method such as a bank account or a debit card. Having a fully verified account ensures you have higher transaction limits and a smoother buying experience. This initial setup is crucial before you can start purchasing Stellar Lumens. After setting up your account, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit money using the bank account or debit card you linked earlier. Once your funds are available, head over to the trade section on Coinbase. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of available cryptocurrencies. Simply search for XLM or Stellar Lumens to locate the asset you wish to purchase. This makes finding your desired crypto straightforward and quick. Now that you've found Stellar Lumens, it's time to place your order. Select XLM and choose the buy option. Enter the amount of XLM you wish to purchase, either in cryptocurrency units or your local currency. Before finalizing, carefully review all the order details, including any associated fees and the total cost. Once you are satisfied, confirm your purchase to execute the transaction. Your XLM will then appear in your Coinbase wallet. Once your purchase is complete, your Stellar Lumens will be securely stored in your Coinbase wallet. From there, you have several options. You can send XLM to another wallet, receive more, or even trade it for other cryptocurrencies available on the platform. Coinbase provides tools to help you manage your portfolio effectively. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's important to stay informed and manage your crypto assets wisely for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.